In this video, I want to show you how to calculate Enhanced Vegetation Index in SAGA GIS. The Enhanced Vegetation Index is an optimized vegetation index designed to enhance vegetation signal with improved sensitivity in high biomass regions and improve vegetation monitoring through a decoupling of the canopy background signal and a reduction in atmosphere influences. So I want to show you how to calculate it in SAGA GIS. To do that, let's go to SAGA GIS. In SAGA GIS, the first thing to do is to bring the bands you want to use to calculate the Enhanced Vegetation Index. In this case, we want to use Landsat 8, and we are going to make use of band 2, band 4, and band 5. So, to bring in your raster, click on Open. This will take you to where you have your data, and in this case I've renamed my Landsat bands as band 1, band 2 up to band 11. However, in this exercise I'm only using band 2, band 4 and band 5. So I'll click on Open. So in few seconds it will be loaded to SAGA GIS Manager. So once it is loaded, I can just double click any of the bands just like this to load it in the viewer interface. Now to calculate the Enhanced Vegetation Index, you have to come to Geoprocessing, then come to Imagery, come to Spectral Indices, and here you can see Enhanced Vegetation Index. So click on it. This will open the Enhanced Vegetation Index table, and here the first thing to do is to set the grid system, and to do that click here and set it here. So when you load in your raster, it will automatically detect the grid system, and here is it. So once you have inputted the grid system, here you have to set the blue reflectance. The blue reflectance is the band 2. Click here and choose band 2. Then select the red reflectance. Here the red reflectance is band 4, and here you have to specify the near infrared reflectance, and that is our band 5. Click on it. Then the Enhanced Vegetation Index, make sure you set it to Create. Then here all these options, leave it at default. The gain, leave it at 2.5. The canopy background adjustment, leave it at 1. The aerosol resistance coefficient, which is for blue, leave it at 7.5. Then the aerosol resistance coefficient, red, leave it at 6. Having done this, click on OK. This will run and create the Enhanced Vegetation Index. Yes, it is created. Here is it. So you can double click it and open it in a new map. Click on OK. Yes, you can see our Enhanced Vegetation Index here. So you can see it. This is our Enhanced Vegetation Index for this very area. So in a nutshell, this is how to calculate Enhanced Vegetation Index from Landsat image in SAGA GIS. Thank you for watching.